Shoot a quick video here. So there are 5 connectors. I gathered from the service manual that there are 5 connectors, connecting points. You'll see there 10, 7, 9, 11, and then that looks like it's going to be number 8 as well. So those are the 5 connectors that I have. You'll see that I have 3 of them that come off of this main harness that goes down towards the starter. The first big chunk comes over and goes to this plug here. And then there is one hiding here that branches off of this wire here that you see goes down to that plug. It plugs right into the right there. Then, so that's 3. Then number 4 is right here. That comes out of the transmission right down here. There it is. That one plugs in right there, and of course the connector is right here. That connector runs up, you'll see it runs off of there and goes up there, and then off of this main harness that comes over by the transmission mount has a branch off that connects to this green wired connector, which you'll see connects to down there. You'll see the one solenoid where my middle finger's pointing. It's that little black thing, you can see it better now. And there's another connector that it branches off to on the side of the transmission as well. I'd have to remove the tire to give you a view of that, I believe. Oh, actually, no, yeah, the tire's in the way right now. So those are the connectors